Architecture, an essential part of human living, has been developing together with humans for many centuries. Dated from many years, great changes have happened either in construction style or building material. Continuous creativity and innovation in humans' construction history has brought a shocking revolution in mankind's living environment, from whole living of primitive tribes to modern tall buildings in the city. Nowadays, with the increasing pace of modern energy saving and green ecology in construction, which has been deeply accepted by people, light steel building technique as a global sunrising industry is developing quickly in China. Especially in the past decade, light steel house architecture has been expansively utilized in China's manufacturing industry, commercial industry, and civil engineering. Its attractiveness and preference in low residence buildings and villas for tourism has reached an unprecedented level. DCTH Steelvilla Company, as a breakthrough of traditional housing, provides a design of one-time completion, assembly line production, and fast installment on site. What DCTH Steelvilla Company wants to take people to is not only a home, but also a new understanding of living culture with green comfortableness and harmony. Insulation function from DCTH Steelvilla's wall surface system, heavy carrying system, and outer system prevents cold air entering and noisy transmission. And these three systems form an inner recycle system for house ventilation. Firstly, all house construction in DCTH Steelvilla will go through three steps: factory prefabrication, installment on site, and construction on site. No waste, no noise, no pollution, no need for a huge storage room, no big need for water. These are our advantages. We can also meet requirements of big cross, big space, complicated outer design, flexible assembly, and other special requirements. Secondly, as a DCTH Steelvilla house is light, its requirements for foundation and land is low. Its fast installment, flexible relocation, and recyclable material give it a high project efficiency and house use. Because light steel house structures have a dense arrangement, birdcage engagement, and connection with non-welding spots, these structural advantages make DCTH Steelvilla house play an effective earthquake resistance role. As a whole, DCTH Steelvilla architecture has become a big challenge to traditional housing with its characteristics of high energy saving, short turnover period, flexible relocation, economical effect, and good anti-earthquake function. In China Ministry of Building has published many files about energy-saving housing, such as Resolution about Energy-Saving Housing, Construction Energy-Saving Rules, Green Architecture Technique Instructions, and other files. All these files give light steel housing a new direction and accelerate the development of energy-saving and environmental protection housing in China. China's housing industry is experiencing a revolution from philosophy of building houses to manufacturing houses. Light steel house industry has shown a bright future like a new and hot star. DCTH Steelvilla light steel house is composed of the following three structures. Firstly, outer protective system, walls containing materials of decoration, outer hanging steel board web, outer heat preservation paper, and single breath paper, structural outer panel, steel shelf, heat preservation, and inner decorational board. Secondly, a heavy carrying system. The heavy carrying system of the house contains floor decorational layer, layer for floor anti-moisture, floor fulfilling layer, steel structure layer, sound insulation layer, roof decorational board, and house surface board. Thirdly, the wall surface system is made by light steel shelf, structure board, heat preservation material, heat radiation, waterproofing layer, and roof tile. The above features in structure result in 13 points of advantages in DCTH Steelvilla housing. short finishing period 2 to 5 times faster than a traditional house. Light self-weight 1/6 to 1/4 lighter than traditional houses. Highly efficient land use, efficient use of architectural area by improving 8% to 10%. Water saving more than 90% than a traditional house. Environmental protection, almost dry construction, no waste, no pollution, and no radiation. Material saving, 90% of house material is recyclable, low need of steel. Heat preservation, the house of Da Chung Tai Ha has good heat preservation material. Its steel shelf has its own anti-cooling function, and its 10-centimeter comprehensive wall has the same heat preservation function of a brick wall of 1 meter. Heat insulation. The thermal resistance value can be 3.5. Anti-fire. Compound anti-fire material of the outer wall cab works against fire for 4 hours. Sound insulation. Da Chung Tai Ha's houses' sound insulation can reach 55 decibels. Anti-earthquake. Da Chung Tai Ha's house can prevent against an 8-level earthquake, reduce the influence of shake to the lowest benefited from its soft and light structure. Anti-wind. Light and strong plastic and steel with good deforming capability can resist 0.5 kN square meters, all wind, widely used by coastal cities with frequent typhoons. Moth-proof. Light structure does not bother with termites. It increases house service lifespan and reduces reparation costs. Beijing Da Chung Tai Ha Steel Structure Science and Technology Company Limited was established to be a new advanced housing integration industrialization company on the premises of vigorously advocating new architecture formats, environmental protection, and generalizing steel structure residence application by our central government. Beijing Da Chung Tai Ha Steel Structure Science and Technology Company Limited owns its own research center with more than 10 professional architectural technicians, and has been an advocate of the ecological and environmental improvement of housing construction with the goal of zero energy consumption and zero pollution. Our company has an industry garden with a 3 million square meter area, invested more than 20 million, and introduced the most advanced architecture production equipment from Canada in 2006. Has the capability of one-time design and assembly line production with the support of American building designing tool chief architect. The yearly capacity is 2 million square meters. It is the only company that can build 4 to 6 stories of light steel housing that other light steel structure systems cannot. The integrative services from Light Steel House of Da Chung Tai Ha Company can provide customers a series of services, including planning, designing, manufacturing, installment, decoration, and after-service. Beijing Da Chung Tai Ha House Integrative Company owns a worldwide sales web, has sample projects in many countries, at present Colombia, Uzbekistan, Australia, Afghanistan, and Bulgaria. All have our in-building projects. After many years' endeavor, Da Chung Tai Ha has established business relations with many loyal cooperators and has won highly favorable comments in the architectural industry. Da Chung Tai Ha will grow up along with highly increasing word of mouth and recommendation. Good quality produces prize. Exporting is from good quality. Beijing Da Chung Tai Ha House Integrative Company will continuously contribute to the development and employment of green buildings, leading the new direction of energy saving and science development. We sincerely invite worldwide builders, developers, designers, and industrial partners to create our markets together. We hope our collaboration will bring a new world with happiness, harmonious nature, and a bright future.